Hey, it's Annie with your latest tech update. It's no surprise that cybercriminals are using the new AI tools to make their scams more successful. Law enforcement experts have now identified the three main ways they expect AI to be exploited by crooks. The first is phishing emails. These are supposed to look like they come from a trusted source. They'll ask you to download a file or click a link that installs malware. You can often spot them because the emails are full of mistakes, but AI tools create text with good spelling and grammar, making them more believable. AI could also spread misinformation. Imagine a chatbot creating social media posts accusing your CEO of having an affair and tagging local news outlets. Horrendous. And finally, chatbots can write increasingly good computer code, which could be used to create malware. The answer to protecting your business? Layers of security tools and good training. We can help with this. That's your tech update. More next week.